In the last video, we have seen the structure and shape of the hydrides of group 15 elements. Each hydride is sp3 hybridized. They should have tetrahedral structure, but due to the lone pair bond pair repulsion, they have pyramidal shape. Now, the bond angle in NH3 is smaller than the regular tetrahedral bond angle. This is due to the lone pair bond pair repulsion. Lone pair bond pair repulsion. As a result of this lone pair bond pair repulsion, the bond angle is slightly decreased. Okay. Now, in the case of NH3 and CH3, in textbook, we have given the H and H angle value is greater than that of HH angle value. ओके, क्या कारण हो सकता है कि NH3 में ये बॉन्ड एंगल 107.8 डिग्री है, जबकि फॉस्फीन में ये बॉन्ड एंगल 93 डिग्री के आसपास है। सिंपल रीजन यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना है कि जैसे जैसे नाइट्रोजन से हम बिस्मथ की ओर चलते हैं, ये साइज बढ़ता है। ओके, ये साइज हमारा क्या होता है, बड़ा होता है। साइज बड़ा होने की वजह से क्या होता है कि हमारा यहाँ पर ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है, इसके बीच का रिपल्सन कम हो जाता है। इसके बीच का रिपल्सन कम हो जाता है। इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर लाई एट greater distance in comparison to NH3. So, repulsion between the two bond pair is decreased. तो जैसे रिपल्सन कम होता है, तो ये बॉन्ड एंगल हमारा कम होते जाता है। ओके, so we have to remember in ammonia the bond angle is slightly smaller in comparison to regular tetrahedral bond angle. The reason is lone pair bond pair repulsion. In ammonia and other hydrides, the bond angle with increasing atomic size, the distance between the two bond pair increases, repulsion decreases. As a result, the bond angle becomes smaller than that of nitrogen. So, in the first characteristics of hydrides of group 15, we have seen a structure and shape of hydrides. Now, the second one, very, very important, we have to remember solubility. Solubility. One important question has been asked in the board. NH3 dissolves in water, but CH3 bubbles in water. बबल्स इन वाटर। मतलब कहने का है कि अगर अमोनिया गैस को हम पानी से पास कराते हैं तो अमोनिया पानी में डिजॉल्व हो जाता है, लेकिन जब फॉस्फीन और बाकी हाइड्राइड को हम पास कराएंगे वाटर से, तो वह बुलबुला बन के बबल्स बन के बाहर निकल जाता है। ऐसा क्यों? तो सिंपल रीजन हम लोग जानते हैं कि अमोनिया, हम लोग पढ़े हुए हैं कि 3 एलिमेंट हमारा है FON, जो हमारा हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बनाता है, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड बनाता है। ओके, सो NH3 forms, important things we have to remember. NH3 forms intermolecular hydrogen bond with water. Therefore, NH3 dissolves in water, whereas CH3 and other members of other hydrides of group 15 element cannot form hydrogen bond with water due to a smaller electronegativity. Therefore, they are not soluble in water. They form bubbles in water. Okay. So, reasoning question we have to remember, and assertion reason question may be asked. Assertion NH3 dissolves in water. Region NH3 forms intermolecular hydrogen bond with water. So here both assertion and reason is the correct one, and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Okay. So second characteristic we have seen the solubility of hydrides in water. Now the third, melting point. Melting point. Very peculiar. We have to remember that increasing order of melting point. ES3 is smaller than ASS3, is smaller than SBH3, is smaller than BiH3, and among all, ammonia has the highest melting point. Highest melting point. Now, simple reason we have to remember in NH3, the force of attraction is hydrogen bond. Force of attraction is hydrogen bond. And all other hydrides, we have van der Waals force. Van der Waals force. Okay. NH3 hydrogen bond, and in remaining four hydrides, we have van der Waals force. Now we know hydrogen bond is the strongest force of attraction among different intermolecular force. So ammonia has the highest melting point. Then in remaining hydrides, van der Waals force. All of them have van der Waals force. Now van der Waals force depends upon the size of the molecule. Greater the size of the molecule, greater the magnitude of van der Waals force. So from CH3 to BiH3, the molecular size increases, magnitude of van der Waals force increases, therefore the magnitude of melting point also increases. Okay. Then the fourth one, boiling point. Boiling point. And here we have to remember the peculiarity. ES3 is smaller than ASS3, then we have NH3, then SBH3, then BiH3. BiH3. Here the magnitude of van der Waals force in these two exceeds the magnitude of hydrogen bond in ammonia in liquid state. Therefore, we have the order of boiling point. Okay. Then next is thermal stability. Increasing, decreasing order is asked, and so many other things we have to remember. Thermal stability. First of all, we have to remember thermal stability and bond dissociation enthalpy. We have not to confuse bond dissociation enthalpy. Suppose we have a bond between two X atoms, and the two X atoms are held by some intermolecular force of attraction. Important thing we have to remember, thermal stability. Thermal stability, here we have melting point, boiling point. Melting point, boiling point, we have to separate the molecule. So we have to overcome the force of attraction. Okay. Thermal stability, we have to dissociate the molecule. We have to decompose the molecule. So we have to break the bond. Okay. In melting point, boiling point, and thermal stability, we have not to confuse. In melting point, boiling point, the two molecules have to be separated, and we have to overcome the interparticle force of intermolecular force of attraction. But in the thermal stability, we have to dissociate the bond between the two atoms. Dissociate the bond between two atoms. Now, larger the bond dissociation enthalpy, more the energy required to break the bond, more the thermal stability. More the thermal stability. So, conceptual point we have to remember, thermal stability depends upon the bond dissociation enthalpy. The stronger the bond, more the thermal stability. weaker the bond, less the thermal stability. Okay. Now, strength of the bond, we have to remember, strength of the bond depends upon the size of the atom. Now, hydrogen is common in all the hydrides, but the size of group 15 element changes. Nitrogen smallest, then phosphorus, then arsenic, then antimony, and then bismuth is the largest one. So nitrogen, due to its small atomic size, form strongest NH bond. सबसे ज्यादा मजबूत बॉन्ड हमारा नाइट्रोजन और हाइड्रोजन का बनता है, फिर फास्फोरस हाइड्रोजन, फिर आर्सेनिक हाइड्रोजन, और इस तरह से सो ऑन। तो अब हमारा यहाँ पर थर्मल स्टेबिलिटी क्या हो जाएगा? सबसे कम स्टेबल कौन हो जाएगा? BiH3, उससे ज्यादा SbH3, उससे ज्यादा AsH3, उससे ज्यादा CH3, और सबसे ज्यादा स्टेबल हमारा होता है NH3. So increasing order of thermal stability we have seen, and the reason for this increasing order, the thermal stability depends upon the strength of the MH bond. MH bond. Stronger the MH bond formed, more the thermal stability, more the energy required to decompose the compound. Okay, so thermal stability. Then we have next reducing property. Reducing property. All the elements of group 15, all the hydrides of group 15 elements act as a reducing agent. Reducing agent. All of them release hydrogen, and that hydrogen gets attached to some other compound. Therefore, all of them act as a reducing agent. And this reducing property of the compound depends upon the thermal stability. अब यहाँ ध्यान रखना है कि जो कंपाउंड जितना ज्यादा स्टेबल होगा वह उतना कमजोर रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट होगा. ओके, जो कंपाउंड जितना ज्यादा स्टेबल वो हमारा उतना कम रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. तो सबसे कमजोर रिड्यूसिंग यहाँ एजेंट कौन सा हो जाएगा? NH3. उसके बाद हमारा हो जाएगा CH3, उससे ज्यादा AsH3, उससे ज्यादा SbH3, और उससे ज्यादा हमारा हो जाएगा BiH3. ओके, उससे ज्यादा हमारा हो जाएगा BiH3. So reducing property, all the group 15 element hydride acts as reducing agent. यहाँ पर एक टेक्स्ट बुक में एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, among group 15 element hydride BiHD is the strongest reducing agent. अब यहाँ पर देखो, assertion रीजन क्वेश्चन बन सकता है, रीजनिंग क्वेश्चन बन सकता है, MCQ क्वेश्चन बन सकता है, और इंक्रीजिंग डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करने के लिए हमारा आ सकता है. ओके, सो BiH3 द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. तो क्या आंसर टेक्स्ट बुक में सॉल्व द एग्जांपल है. यू कैन सी कहा है कि BiH बॉन्ड इज वीकेस्ट, सबसे कमजोर होता है ग्रुप 15 एलिमेंट हाइड्राइड में, इसलिए हमारा BiH3 काम करता है सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट का. और ये रिसेंटली ये क्वेश्चन हमारा बोर्ड में पूछा गया है. ओके, सो टिल नाउ वी हैव सीन द reducing characteristics of hydrogen, reactivity of hydrogen, and characteristics of hydrides of group 15. These points we have discussed. One more very, very important point left, which we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.